What happens when a luxury SUV gets treated like a supercar? The answer lies in the 2026 Techart Magnum, a dramatic reinterpretation of the Porsche Cayenne that pushes the boundaries of power, aesthetics, and tuner craftsmanship. More than just a cosmetic upgrade, the Magnum represents the pinnacle of aftermarket performance engineering, transforming an already potent SUV into a beast capable of challenging pure sports cars on both road and track. At its core, the 2026 Techart Magnum is built around the Porsche Cayenne E3.2 platform, one of the latest iterations of Porsche's SUV architecture. Unlike a standard Cayenne, which is already fast and refined, the Magnum version takes everything to the extreme. From the engine output to the bodywork and interior details, this is a machine that is unapologetically bold. What immediately sets the Magnum apart is its expressive widebody design. Techart engineers didn't just bolt on a few add-ons, they redesigned the front bumper with massive air intakes and a sculpted carbon fiber hood that improves airflow and gives the SUV a more aggressive stance. The wheel arches are extended by nearly 92 mm compared to the stock body, creating a broader, more purposeful silhouette that fills the road. These changes aren't just about looks, the wider body supports larger wheels and improves stability at high speeds. Under the skin, the Magnum's performance upgrades are even more striking. The heart of the 2026 Magnum is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with Tecart's advanced Techtronic engine management system. This combination produces a staggering 930 horsepower and 1,100 Newton-meters of torque, figures that dwarf anything in the regular Cayenne lineup. With this power on tap, the Magnum rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in roughly 2.96 seconds and reaches an electronically limited top speed of 205 mph, 330 km/h, numbers that place it in rarefied performance territory even compared to dedicated sports cars. One of the most engaging aspects of the Magnum is how it balances raw power with everyday usability. Unlike purpose-built sports cars that can be harsh and unrefined on normal roads, the Magnum maintains the Cayenne's inherent versatility. The 8-speed Tiptronic S automatic gearbox ensures smooth shifts whether you're cruising through city streets or launching down a straight. Thanks to Porsche's intelligent all-wheel drive system, the SUV remains composed and responsive even when the driver demands maximum acceleration. But performance isn't just about speed, it's also about sound, feel, and drama. Techart offers specially tuned exhaust systems for the Magnum that produce a deep and aggressive tone, giving the SUV an auditory presence to match its performance. You can choose between side exit options for a classic look or a center exit layout for a more race-inspired feel. The sound isn't just for show, it gives the driver tangible feedback about how hard the engine is working, adding emotional connection to every throttle input. On the visual side, Techart provides extensive customization options that make every Magnum truly unique. From carbon fiber aero parts and forged 23-inch Daytona 3 wheels with bespoke color or carbon inserts to bespoke body panels and spoilers, this SUV can be tailored to the owner's taste. Even the interior isn't overlooked. Premium materials, exclusive stitching, and bespoke trim options elevate the cabin, making it feel like a bespoke luxury vehicle rather than a mass-produced SUV. For those seeking the ultimate expression of exclusivity, Techart released the Magnum First Edition, limited to just 25 units worldwide. This variant builds on the standard Magnum package with enhanced aerodynamic features, custom carbon fiber components, and more. Luxurious interior appointments that distinguish it from the regular model. Each unit comes with unique design touches like numbered fender inlays, specially configured exhaust outlets, and bespoke handcrafted interior elements that ensure no two First Edition cars are exactly alike. Despite its extreme performance, the Magnum still respects its roots as a road goer. The SUV's interior retains Porsche's intuitive ergonomics and quality build, giving drivers and passengers a refined environment that's comfortable for everyday travel. Whether you're navigating highways, city traffic, or open roads, the Magnum remains composed and capable, delivering an experience that blends usability with supercar-level performance. One of the most fascinating things about the